I've had people suggest the air pruning pots to me. They say they see a result. So I've seen a few videos on it and there's a lot of good information, but I just got to see it for myself. Okay, so these are my first ones and we'll see how this goes. Now if you like the video, please subscribe, and I will have some links for you in the description. But I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, now it's time to do the holes. So I've measured them out around the bucket, and we're going to drill them out. First we start in forward position, okay? We'll start right there. Now that we're through, put it in reverse. Alright. Now we do the same for all the rest of them.
Up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all
Alright, now we got to take this outside and rinse it off along with the other ones, and we will start filling. Alright, we got these drilled out. They need cleaned up though before we move on to the next step. Now I've got 4 set up for air pruning and 4 set up for traditional. We're going to be running them side by side with the same plants in them, just to see if there's a difference on short term. But how we get center is I'm going to fold it, then reach inside, then I'm going to grab that fold in the bottom and pull it out. That way I know I got center. Now of that, what we got to do is we're going to cut off an 1.5 inch triangle. Alright, don't have to be perfect. The net cut will slip right through. So, once you put it back, you got a hole in the bottom. Okay? Alright, now, first off, let's put this bag down in here. Okay. Now, alright, now we're going to take the piece of shade cloth that we got, or some kind of cloth, as long as water goes through it. Our net cup, okay? And we're gonna put some dirt in this and pack it into here. Alright, we pack it into here all the way to the bottom. Then we top this off, okay, and stick it into the bottom of the pot. Alright, now that we have it in the bottom of the pot, what we're going to do is fill it up with our topsoil or potting soil. Alright, now that we got the pot filled up with soil, the only thing left is to put the plant in. Alright, we're going to plant these kind of deep because they're a little spindly on the bottom. Besides that, it'll give it plenty of room for rooting. Alright, and there we have it. Now I'll put this out with the other ones and we'll be good to go. Now here's a shot to show you. Okay, we got the net pot down below to suck up water. And it is April 5th and we're going to see how this works.